Very good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Study well, right? And if you remember, we have started chapter number 6. That is Robin Hood and Little John. Okay, one video I have already uploaded related to this chapter. Today we will be continue reading this chapter, right? Some word meanings I have written here. You have to write this word meanings in your copy. So before I move on to what happened further in this story, I would like to give you a quick reminder of what happened in the story previously. So there is a man in the story, there is a man named Robin Hood. And how is the man? Robin Hood is actually a robber who had a gang of trustworthy people with him. ये अकेला नहीं है, इसके साथ कुछ और लोग हैं ग्रुप में जो कि बहुत ट्रस्टवर्दी हैं, राइट? He had a team of other people who work with him, and what is their work is to rob the rich people and then distribute all the riches to poor people. Means whatever they looted, no, they distributed it to poor people, and that is why poor people used to admire him a lot. They used to praise him a lot, they loved him a lot. And by the nature he is an outlaw. What do you mean by outlaw? A person who often breaks the rule. He often breaks the rule and he hide himself. He used to hide himself in the forest. Why? In order to stay protected from getting arrested. Because he is a robber, right? And robbers generally hide themselves. So he was of that kind, but by the nature he was very faithful. He never did anything wrong. If he looted also, what he did, all the materials, no, he distributed back to the poor people so that they should not suffer. So what happened in the story in the beginning, that Robert Hood was feeling very bored. So he told to his men that I am feeling bored, I am going to look for something exciting. And he went. Okay. And meanwhile, he was on his way, he saw a bridge. Okay. I'll show you through figure. So he went to forest to look for something exciting and he saw a bridge. And how was the bridge? Bridge was very narrow. Now the meaning of narrow I have already given you. Narrow means what? Narrow means extremely not very wide. बहुत पतला. So one side who was standing? Robin was standing, and the other side someone else was standing. Who was that? We don't know till now. No, I have taught you. So what happened? No, Robin was trying to cross this bridge. Meanwhile, this person, a strange giant person, was also on his way to cross the bridge. But bridge, as I told, was not very wide. So Robin told to this man to wait for a second. He said that let me cross this bridge, then after you come to cross this bridge. But this man, by nature, he was very stubborn. Stubborn means ziddi, and he did not move from his way. Then Robin told him that I know how to teach lesson to people like you. Saying this, he took out his bow and arrow. Tir Dhanush, okay, and he was ready to attack this strange person. But then this strange person told him that what kind of attack is this? I don't have anything and you have bow and arrow. And I told you by the nature he was very faithful. He never did anything wrong to anyone. So this person said that I have only a long stick and you have bow and arrow. Anyway, you will only win. He said that I have only stick and you have bow and arrow. If there is a fight, then you will only win. So don't you think that we should be in equal situation? We should be in equal position, and then after we should start this fight in order to know who seriously is winner. When Robin heard this, he realized that, oh, okay, this man is saying right, and he went to a oak tree and plucked a branch of oak tree, okay, and brought a stick here. And then they were ready for the fight. He said, okay, now we both are in equal position. We both have what? Stick. Now let us fight and check. But there is one condition. Whosoever will fall first from this bridge will be the loser. Okay? And below this bridge was, what was there? Stream. A small river was there. So they decided this, that whosoever will fall from the bridge first will be the loser. And listening to this, who said this? Robin said this. Listening to this, here who was standing? LJ, Little John. I am writing in short, you will understand, no? Okay. So Little John said to Robin that I hope you know to swim. This was what all about I have taught you in first previous video. Now we will be starting the second video. Okay, the second part. So first of all, I'll read it for you. When I read, no, I want your eyes to be in your book so that you come to know how to pronounce different words. Clear? Please open page number 76. Okay, let's just read. In the middle of the bridge, the two men meet. They were well matched and fight earnestly. The meaning of earnestly I have written here seriously. Okay? Blow for blow. One blow from Robin's staff sends the giant railing, but before he falls, he swings his staff around and catches Robin. Unprepared for the blow, the outlaw loses his footing and falls into stream into a splash. Now what happened? Now the real fight started. Now both Robin and Little John came in middle of the bridge and they started fighting. Okay, one after the other they blowed each other with the stick. एक दूसरे को वो स्टिक से क्या करने लगे, एक के बाद एक वो हमले करने लगे. एक बार को ऐसा हुआ when Robin hit this Little John, okay, and he got hit so badly that Little John got confused. Reeling means confused, and he was about to fall down from the bridge. Okay, who was about to fall? Little John. But meanwhile, what he did, no, he caught the stick of Robin. Okay, he caught the stick of Robin and somehow he managed to save himself from falling. But Robin was not ready for this, and he got see, it's written here, he got, as he was unprepared, what he lost his footing. यानी कि वो जिस तरीके से खड़ा था वो बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर नहीं था इस चीज़ के लिए कि कोई उसे पकड़कर बच जाएगा. इसकी वजह से वो क्या हुआ, वो गिर गया नीचे. कौन गिर गया? रॉबिन. सो रॉबिन फेल डाउन. ओके, एंड ही वेयर ही फेल डाउन ऑन अ लिटिल स्ट्रीम विच वाज flowing down the bridge. Okay, now what happened next? You see, unprepared for the blow, the outlaw. Who is outlaw? Robin Hood is outlaw here. Okay, meaning of outlaw I have already explained you. Loses his footing and falls into stream with a splash. Splash means एक छपाक की आवाज के साथ. Whenever you fall down on the water, what happens? You also hear a sound, and that very sound in English is known as what? Splash. Or in Hindi, if I speak, छपाक. ओके, एक छपाक की आवाज के साथ रॉबिन ब्रिज से नीचे गिर गया. और कहाँ नीचे गिरा? पानी में. राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट, सॉरी. Little John, ho, what are you doing, fine fellow? Robin, spluttering. What do you mean by spluttering? You see here, to speak with difficulty. Okay, he fell down into in the stream and now he was unable to speak because maybe water has gone inside his mouth. So Robin, Little John started after seeing that he has fallen down in the stream, he started laughing and he said, "Whoa, what are you doing?" And then Robin, spluttering means to speak with little difficulty, he said, "Swimming. No one has been able to do what you have done today. You are a brave and strong man." Now Robin was very much impressed with whom? With Little John. Robin said that nobody dares to do such thing with me. You must be a very strong and brave person that you managed to make me fail. Because I don't get failed. I have a group of people with me. As I told you, who was Robin Hood? Robin Hood was a robber. It means if he was a robber, you can understand how much brave he would be, right? And then Robin, after falling down from the bridge, he said what he said to Little John, that nobody dares to do such thing to me. If you have done this, I consider you a very brave and strong man. Now what did John Little replied him? Let's see. As long as you know you are beaten, I'll let you cross the bridge. Okay. And then Little John said to Robin that अब जब तुम्हें ये realize हो चुका है, now when you have realized that you have failed to make me fail, so now I will let you cross the bridge first. अब जबकि तुम जान चुके हो कि तुम हार चुके हो, then I give you an opportunity to cross this bridge, right? Now, Robin, you are very skilled. Where do you work? Now, आई टोल्ड यू बोथ ऑफ देम, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर लाठी मीन्स डंडे से प्रहार कर रहे थे, राइट, दे वर फाइटिंग विथ ईच अदर. दैट टाइम रॉबिन रियलाइज दैट दिस पर्सन इज नॉट अ normal person, he is very skilled. Means skilled meaning I have written to have skill means गुण होना, बहुत ज़्यादा गुणी होना, means he has certain different kind of qualities in him. Okay, Robin said that you seem to be very skilled, where do you work? Then John Little sadly, he was sad after hearing this, and he said, nobody gives John Little work, they are all afraid of me, I often go hungry. And I don't know why, but Little John then explained, then said to Robin that you think I am skillful, but nobody gives me work. I am so workless that sometimes I don't earn money, and you know, if you don't earn money, you will not be able to buy food. So sometimes, as I am jobless, as I am workless, I am not able to earn money, and when I am not able to work money, I sometimes sleep hungry. Next, you see what he said. Robin, why don't you come with me? I'll show you band of fine fellows who will be glad to give you a good meal. Band means here. Band means a group. Please write down the meaning. Band means, I am writing here. Number 5. Band means group. Okay, now Robin said that if you are workless, if you are jobless, why don't you come along with me? Okay, I have a group of very fine fellows. Means he had a team of, he had a group of people. No, Robin Hood had a group of very merry, happy men. Okay, who were very trustworthy. जो इसके साथ लूटपाट में शामिल होते थे, right? He said that I have a band of fine fellows with me. Why don't you come along with us? We will give you nice food also, and we will give you some work also, right? Next, Robin lifted his horn to his lips and blow into it. 3 loud notes ring out through the forest. Soon a crowd of men surrounds them. If you remember in previous video, what I told you, when Robin said that it's a very boring place, I am going to forest to look for some interesting place, he also added that if I will be in danger, I will blow the horn 3 times. 3 times means you understand that I am in danger and come fast to help me. Robin said to his man. Okay. Now when he met Little John and he offered him work, what he did, he blowed the horn thrice, and soon he was surrounded by a crowd of people. Crowd of people means group of the men who were working for Robin Hood. Robin, looking proud, these are my merry men. John Little turning to his men. Okay, now Robin, as he blew the horn for 3 times, all his teammates, trustworthy people, they came and surrounded Little John and whom? Robin. And now Robin very proudly, he introduced his men to Little John that these are meet my people. They work with me. They are my followers. Okay. So, okay, see here. So till today we have completed page number 76. Okay, go through each line, and if you have any doubt, do ask. Thank you.